lingerie business.
In fact,
They've been selling very, very well.
Danny's mother is Rebecca Gibson, who is lingerie royalty and owner of a cozy Greenwich Village boutique made famous by Sex in the City.
Oh, the boutique is my favorite.
Noriella told investigators she'd been calling Daniel that night because he was her boyfriend. Before she met him in a New York City high school, he said he'd gone to a boarding school until he got kicked out for fighting.
I was attracted to him. I thought he was very handsome.
Sweep you off your feet a little bit?
Yeah, he was very charming. He would buy me flowers and chocolate and walk me home from school. And we would have long talks.
At the time, Noriella was estranged from her father, a New York City police officer who had split up with her mother. And Danny provided the strong, sympathetic male presence Noriella was lacking.